And hello and welcome to another exterior video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I figured I'd do a 1-year review of my compact car refrigerator that I got last year. I think it's already been a year since I got it. Time really flies, and I really wanted to do a video review of it, how it's been so far. Were there any issues? Maybe anybody has questions or not, and just talk about it for a little bit. And the one I have, it's a Euhomy car refrigerator. I hope I pronounced it right, but you guys know I never pronounce stuff right. There's nothing I can do about it. But anyways, so as you can see, it's already connected. It's been connected to my truck for some time, and it's via Bluetooth, so I can always set up the temperature. I can control what temperature inside. Actually, as I was driving, I pulled over and I adjusted that temperature. Originally I set it to 40 Fahrenheit, but then I changed to 50. So it's working. Right now it's connected to my power bank, so it always has power. But let's take it out. So there you go, guys. There is the refrigerator. It fits in here perfect. I'm so happy how it fits in there. The way I have it set up, I don't even need to really secure it. I have a strap for it that I can use it when I go, if I go to any like hard off-roading, so it doesn't bounce around. But right now it's pretty sturdy in there. It just slides in there, and as you can see, the temperature is about 54 degrees. It's connected to my power bank. It's been connected for quite some time. It's really nice and very convenient to go out camping and to bring some cold drinks with you, and keep your food cold in there. That's very nice. So if I take it out, there we go. Of course, as you know, it has a latch and lid over here. All the adjustments can be done through here, but let's open it up. All right, so as you can see, it has a couple of compartments over here. Over here I keep the stuff that I want it to be too cold. Over here I have my drinks. I have some bananas that's getting cold, and I brought some watermelon today because it's very hot today, so it's gonna be very nice. And I have my drinks over here and some sandwiches. So it's pretty nice, it's pretty roomy. This compartment you can kind of separate it, but it's all same, and as you can see, it's cold inside. Has a light in here, so that's pretty cool. And then it locks in, and that's it. I feel like this is a perfect size, at least for me. It's not too big, it's not too small. It fits in there perfect, just the way I need it. So that's a win-win situation. I mean, on top it has some indentation over here for cup holders. I don't really use it. It might be useful to use it like as a table and put some little cups over here when you're out camping and stuff like that. But for me, it works perfect just the way it is. And then when I'm done, I just push it back, and that's it. It just sits in there and it's perfect. Really like it. And of course, the fact that it has a Bluetooth app, that's very convenient as well. I can always adjust, I can always control what the temperature is inside, and I can set it from max to eco as well. As you can see right now, it's 49 degrees, and it's same what's over here. Now I can put a lock over here. So what that means, if I'm not mistaken, that's gonna just keep the temperature at current state. It's not gonna get too cold, nor it's gonna get nor the temperature is gonna go up or anything. So that's pretty convenient, that's pretty good. And I mean, the app is free. So there you go, guys. It's working fine. I had no issues with it. I've been using it, like I said, for over a year, about a year right now. I always take it with me whenever I go camping. Like today, I'm out over here again, out in the nature by the lake, gonna camp for a little bit. So gonna set up the table, gonna pull some chairs out. Really nice to come over here maybe to fish, but that's a different story. That's gonna be a different video. But I would like to find out what kind of refrigerator, guys, you are using, how long you had it, how you liking it, what how you don't liking it, and what's been your experience with that. But so far I'm pretty happy with this refrigerator. Like I said, the name is right here, Euhomy. I think that's what it is. Sounds kind of interesting, but it is what it is. So there you go, guys, just a little review, little update on the refrigerator. I still use it, it's still with me in my truck. If I go out camping or off-roading or any outdoor activities, I take it with me. I put all my drinks, all my food in there, and it stays cold and nice and cold, so that's pretty great. So as always guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.